Golden daffodil stanza no. Word meanings. 1. Wandered, walked here and there without purpose. 2. Vale, valley, space between hills or mountains. 3. Host, great number or groups. 4. Daffodils, beautiful yellow flowers. 5. Fluttering, housing in breeze. Question and answers. Q.1 What was the poet doing? Ans. The poet was wandering aimlessly in the countryside. Q.2 What did he see? Ans. He saw a host of golden daffodils fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Q.3 Where were the daffodils? Ans. The daffodils were beside the lake and beneath the tree. Q.4 Describe the scene in your own words? Ans. The poet is walking all alone in the English countryside. Thousands of golden daffodils are growing beneath the trees and beside the lake. In the strong breeze the daffodils appear to be doing a brisk lovely dance. So numerous are they, that they seem to be as countless as stars in the Milky Way. Stanza no. 2. Word meanings. 1. Continuous, going on without a break. 2. Milky Way, a bright belt of stars in the sky. 3. Bay, small part of sea or lake. 4. At a glance, quick look. 5. Tossing, rising and falling. 6. Sprightly, lively, brisk. Question and answers. Q.1 With what does the poet compare the daffodils? Ans. The poet compares the daffodils with the countless twinkling stars in the Milky Way. Q.2 What resemblance did he find between the stars and the daffodils? Ans. The resemblance which he finds between the stars and daffodils is that they are numerous and both are yellow in color. Q.3 How many flowers were there? Ans. There were 10,000 daffodils at a glance. Q.4 Where were the flowers? Ans. The flowers were stretched along the margin of the bay. Stanza no. 3. Word meanings. 2. Sparkling, shining. 3. Glue, happiness. 4. Journal, gay, lively. 5. Gazed, looked with wonder. 6. What wealth, here, what happiness. 7. The show, the scene, of the daffodils dancing and fluttering. Question and answers. Q.1 Which of the two danced more, the waves or the daffodils? Ans. The daffodils danced more than the waves. Q.2 What did the poet feel looking at the daffodils? Ans. The poet was filled with joy and happiness when he saw the daffodils. Q.3 How can wealth come to the poet? By looking at the scene before him? Ans. The poet enjoyed the scene of the golden daffodils fluttering and dancing in the breeze. In later years, whenever Wordsworth recalled the scene, he got the same pleasure and happiness as before. Stanza no. 4. Word meanings. Leisure time. 3. Pensive, seriously thoughtful. 4. Flash, sudden bright light. 5. Inward eye, deep looks, power to see the past experience in mind. 6. Bless of solitude, great job of being alone. Question and answers. Q.1 What happens to the poet when he lies on his couch? Ans. When the poet lies on the couch he remembers the joy and pleasure he got when he saw the daffodils fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Q.2 Mention the two moods of the poet. Ans. The two moods of the poet are, vacant mood, pensive mood. Q.3 How can the heart dance? Ans. The memory of the flowers filled the heart of the poet with pleasure and it begins to dance with the dancing daffodils. Q.4 Has this ever happened to you? Ans. A good thing always remains in one's memory, it reacts when one thinks of it. It is a case with everyone and so as well as with me.